Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. And as you know, balloons can add so much fun to any occasion. So today, we're gonna learn how to make a simple stacked balloon kind of decoration that you can give in place of a regular Mylar balloon. And it's so easy and fun. So let's get started. I have some latex balloons here. And yes, I would normally use like a pump or something, but I don't want to make too much noise. So I'm gonna just blow it up. So it's about even. So now I'm gonna take it and I'm actually gonna tie them together. I have here it's about 36 inch, about 3 foot wooden dowel. And so what I did with the wooden dowel, this one is a 1/2 inch diameter. So you want something that's pretty sturdy. I just wrapped some ribbon really quickly around it, okay? What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take balloons and stack it. You can work backwards and down. I like to go up. And the other thing is if you want, you can actually put one of those Mylar balloons or something at the top. But this is how easy it is to do. You get your balloon and you're actually going to wrap the balloon around like that. Okay, but I got 2 here and I'm gonna take another here and I'm gonna just stretch it. Now I'm gonna take another color and I'm gonna wrap it around again. I tend to do 2 sets of a color. Over here, like I said, you can take something like another big Mylar balloon, or like in our stores, we sell these fans. So you can order a fan with a person's face, whatever. You could put it on the top. You could do a lot of different things. And it looks fine like this, just like this. But if you wanted to, in between, you could add curling ribbon streamers. You could even add firefly lights. You can do a lot of different things to dress it up. But you know, this is kind of fun. You can use this to wave like congratulations and things like that. But it's a simple idea. It's not very expensive to do. So you can make for different people, but it's, you know, it's kind of impressive, right? Like to hand somebody something like this. So this is our simple idea that you can do in place of giving someone one Mylar balloon. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a lot of fun making these balloon stacks. They're very easy, right? And you know, just want to remind you, I'm just an everyday crafter looking for fun ideas that I can share with you, because everyday crafters, if I can make it, so can you. So if you want to learn more crafts, check out our YouTube channel, The Joy of Crafting, or follow us on Facebook at Joy of Crafting or Instagram at The Joy of Crafting. So hope you have a fun day and we'll see you the next time. Happy crafting!